welcome back to my channel. And it's been 1 week since the NEET UG results are out, and I'm guessing many would have decided whether they are applying for counseling, taking drop, or moving on to some other course. As I said in my last video कि मेरे स्कोर अच्छे नहीं आ रहे, किसी को मेरा स्कोर और रैंक जाना हो देन वो मैं प्रीवियस वीडियो देख सकते हैं. आई विल लीव द लिंक इन दी आई कार्ड. दिस पास्ट वीक आई हैव बीन वाचिंग counseling related videos. I'm still in the phase of deciding. In this video I'll share all the info that I have grabbed for myself, and it will be really helpful for those aspirants which are applying for counseling. 100 से ज़्यादा स्कोर आ रहा है उन्हें congratulations, और जिनका 3 से ज़्यादा ड्रॉप हो चुका है और still their scores not growing, if it fits their budget they should opt for deemed colleges, and if they really want to move ahead in this field only they should take a drop. There are a lot of things to consider in NEET counseling, and a lot of things to look for in a college. Basically, there are 4 types of colleges: government, government aided, semi-government or private, and deemed. The fees of government college is 5 to 8,000, and this varies according to category. In government college, 15% is state quota, rest 85% is for all India quota. Government aided means these colleges follow government rules, and fee ranges from 50,000 to 2.5 lakh. In semi-government or private colleges, their fee ranges from 8 to 10 lakhs. This is for Maharashtra. Again, this fee structure varies according to category, and the seats are 100% for state quota. Lastly, deemed colleges, 100% all India quota. Their fee ranges from 16 lakh above, and there is no category here. You will have to pay extra for hostel. तो ऐसा है colleges का. And now counseling fees for government and state colleges. The counseling fee is around 5,000. This varies as per category. For private colleges, the counseling fee is 2 lakh. If you are getting admission in the private colleges, this amount will be added in your tuition fee or college fee, and if you're not getting admission in a private college, this will be refunded back to you. Okay. In states like Karnataka, Kerala and UP, and students get good colleges in qualifying marks also. So if you're residents of these states, you should apply for counseling. Also, there are many deemed colleges in these states which have their fee in 40 to 60 lakh range, which is much less than any other state. Clinical exposure, number of beds, faculty fee, ये सब चीज़ें तो देखनी रहती है कॉलेज में. But the 2 most important things to look for in the colleges is bond and NEET PG. ये 2 चीज़ें important है, ये देखनी रहती हैं. For more details, you can search these things on the Google or on college website. This was the info that I grabbed from watching so many counseling videos. For more details, you can watch YouTube videos of Lakshya Counseling and Nijao Academy for NEET UG Counseling. सब इन सब का वीडियो देख सकते हैं. ये बहुत डिटेल में बताते हैं क्या क्या चीज़ें कंसिडर करनी चाहिए कॉलेज सेलेक्ट करते वक्त. दे इवन प्रोवाइड व्हाट्सएप नंबर फॉर फर्दर इंक्वायरी. दे हैव वेरी अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस. Even if you're not taking up their services, you can even watch their YouTube videos for very detailed explanation of the procedures of the counseling. A lot of things will get clear to you after you watch their videos. I have personally watched their videos. I will link their YouTube videos in the description. टाइम टेबल थोड़ा सेट हो जाए तो मैं और रेगुलर वीडियोस डालूंगी, स्टडी ब्लॉग्स डालूंगी. सो उसके लिए आप सब्सक्राइब बटन क्लिक कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए. थैंक यू.